Good day, everyone, and welcome to Weekly Trading Ideas. My name is Nenad. Today is July 29, and as always, each Monday, free trading ideas. Before we start, have in mind that CFD and Forex trading are leveraged products can result in losses that exceed your deposits. So please ensure that you fully understand risks involved before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Trading rules, always the same. Before each session, you need to read trading rules. And if you're not sure, because this webinar is being recorded and it is being uploaded, it will be uploaded to YouTube channel. Please pause the screen and read trading rules. We won't be showing results anymore because obviously there is no point. My ideas are clear, very transparent, and each of my trading result and everything that I do can be checked, of course, with my FX book here account, live account that I trade. Started with $10,000. Now the account is close. It's close to 41,000. 309% gain on the account. December, July, it's 8 months, and the account is constantly going up. So I'm very, very happy how it is. So basically, you can enjoy it, you can read it, you can like it, don't like it. It's up to you, of course. But my job is to present you with real trading ideas. So first of all, we will go with the euro dollar, guys. Every trade here and trade setup is based on my Camarilla MACD method, okay? My personal method and my personal view of the markets. So I expect the euro dollar to be further sold in between 11.70. Let's say I would like to see this zone here. So 11.95 to 12.10. Okay. So positional sell is 1.1195 to 1.1210. The reasons are euro dollar is in downtrend. We have basically here. This is. Every setup is based on Camarilla MACD MTF. So downtrend in place, higher time frame, possible rejection, with levels here, a lot of confluence here, and I expect the price to hit the zone and then reject. It's always good, guys, to see a confirmation of rejection. So the first point is price entering the zone. When price enters the zone, then you need to wait for a clear signal. On my Camarilla MACD, there are different types of signals that can be big arrows, small arrows, and dots. Okay. For example, today we had GBP New Zealand dollar trade that I closed for 115 pips, and that is one of the best trades for Camarilla MACD MTF ever. Now I'm running XAU USD, a long trade. Have two positions scaled in. So basically, out of last 21 trades, I think 18 were winners. So it's constantly going up, and everything is exactly as I want it to be. This summer is perfect for trading. I like it so much. At this point, guys, so euro dollar is now having a retracement. It's obvious because this level held. It's now triple bottom. A euro dollar up, and gold I expect to continue up. So basically, where I expect rejection is there. I would place my stop loss at 1.1265. Okay. Here is okay, 1.1265. Always add the spread to your stop loss. It's important, guys. Never ever trade without a spread. So when you have a stop loss, add the spread. Okay, different accounts, different spreads. And here the final target would be, I would go with a slightly lower target, let's say 1060. Okay, of course, protect your trade after you made some profits. Alternative buy, it's obvious, 1.1120, stop loss 1.1080, and TP is here 1.1195. Okay. Now the GBP dollar. Okay. Now let's move to the GBP dollar. GBP dropped a lot. I warned about it. Now it really dropped a lot. Wait, I have where is my? Okay, here we go. FXDD account GBP dollar here. Okay, you see a big drop again, signalized by Mike Camarilla, make the MTF. Well, a lot of rejection. Then a cross here happened. So this was a nice trade. Oh, I think 23, 42, 45 to 60. Okay, so positional sell 1.23. 45 to 60. Okay, now I'm giving you the zone. Stop loss is stop loss is why I have okay. Stop loss is 20. Well, 485. It's too. No. It's too much. I think stop loss should be okay. If our entry is here, stop loss. Well, 24. Okay, we need to have bigger stop loss, guys, and target also should be higher. So for this, I would go with definitely 2090. 1.2090. Okay, these are 4-hour setups, guys. Pay attention. 4-hour setups. Alternative buy, I would only buy around 1290. Stop loss is here 1.1240. And if the price makes a swing on the 4-hour time frame, I expect a retest, so 2240. Let's see. Okay, the Australian dollar. Okay. The Australian dollar is okay. The Australian dollar, let me just find it. Here it is. Downtrend, clear downtrend. And this is the confluence here. 60 now. This is really, I would go 69.50 to 70. Okay, 59, 69 downtrend. So position sell is 0.69, 0.695275. Okay. Stop loss obviously above the with 0.7005, and target price is 68.60. Alternative buy is 0.6860 to 80, I think. Let me check. Okay, so 68.60, yeah. And this is ATR, so we could see a rejection here. So yeah, and 69.50 could be the target. Stop loss is 0.6830. TP is 0. Let me check. 69.50. Okay, dollar CAD. Yeah, I would go with long around 31.15 to 25. Uptrend. 31.15 to 25. Stop loss is 30.80. 30.80. And target is 31.70. Alternative sell is 1 38.70 to 80. Stop loss is, okay, stop loss is, let's see, 32.10. And target is 31.15. Okay, now we go with next one. It's the Bitcoin dollar. Bitcoin dollar. Oh, downtrend. So I would sell here 10.150. Is in downtrend. Position sell 10.150. Stop loss is 10.250. And the TP here is, yeah. Oh, this is way 86.20. 86.20. And this is the buy here, 86.20. Stop loss 85.20. TP 10.150. And finally, gold, guys. I'm in a long trade, 14.21 to 22. Stop loss is for 14.95. You need to add a spread always. Don't forget, some accounts have bigger spreads. Okay, and I know this trade because I'm currently in this trade. And sell is 14.42. Stop loss is 14.47. TP is 40.22. So gold definitely an uptrend. Still, it's clear that there is an uptrend on gold. Rejections, we have a trend line, rejection. Daily moving averages are now crossed, but they were bullish. But weekly moving averages are still bullish. So pretty much we don't have a confirmation for short yet. So this is pretty much obvious. And the middle Bollinger Band higher time frame zigzag is going up. Yeah. The question now, Nenad, the gray arrow is not a buy signal. Yeah, it's not a buy signal. Just a mark of the swing at potential end of the move. Indeed, it did not hit stop loss and reversed. Yes, this trade is still live, guys. Indeed, I have a bigger spread here, and you see my stop losses are here. I also scaled in when the price dropped a little bit. I should have done it also a little bit lower, but that's it basically. So we have we have running trades now. This is the account, and I'm running here. So yes, definitely, guys, we have a good execution and spreads here, and I still expect this to go further up. We have a consolidation here, although this consolidation is, you can see it here like this, a bit. I think it still has the room to range, and then we should see a breakout. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to ask. For my traders who trade on ECS Live, I will do the recording on Camarilla MACD MTF on 4 hour very soon, guys. This is something new based on Camarilla MACD MTF, just with settings that can be found in the indicator itself. The settings are different, so I will show you. Okay, I will record it. Camarilla MACD traders already know what I'm speaking about, and if you want to join, you can join our premium services, ECS Live, okay, for 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months. And if you want, of course, Camarilla MACD, you can buy it here, Camarilla MACD full system. I think that you won't be definitely disappointed. Very good, especially if you have bigger accounts. Then, your investment should pay a bit early. And yes, here comment from Ali, excellent comment. Camarilla is rocking in recent weeks. I suggest everyone, and I like the comment. Thank you, Ali. Yes, indeed, a very, very good comment. I like it a lot, and yes, I'm very, very happy with your comments. Okay, I grabbed the screenshot. So yes, thank you. Thanks a lot, Ali. Yeah, we have a lot of winner trades. Approximately here with Camarilla MACD, guys. I think we have 22 trades, like 18 or 19 wins, only 3 or 4 losses. So yes, I'm very, very happy with it. Let's see. I mean, market is ranging, but I hope it will be something will happen. And the last thing that I wanted to show you was the GBP New Zealand. If you have any questions, guys, go ahead, ask me now, because we are coming to the end of the weekly trading ideas. This is supposed to be weekly trading ideas. The trade that I closed today was the GBP New Zealand based on my Camarilla MACD signal, guys. I had a lot of pips. It even hit the stop, the target for more than 150 pips. I made 115 pips overall. So I'm very, very happy with the result on the GBP New Zealand. Yes, Ali, very, very nice comments. Thank you, guys. Really, I really appreciate it. Really appreciate it a lot. Thanks, Nenad, for your great setups on ECS Live webinars and trade webinars all the time. GBP New Zealand was excellent. Thanks, Nenad. See you next Monday. Camarilla make this great. Thank you, guys. Love you all. I hope that everything will be fine with these setups. Also, enjoy our sessions. If you want more setups, don't forget, this is free for all. YouTube, everything is free. If you want more, sign up for our ECS.live. I wish you great trading day, guys, and talk to you soon. Cheers. Trade safe.